Hi all. In this video, we'll talk about other modes of inheritance. The other modes of inheritance are private and protected. So let me rewrite the class point 3D again. Okay. So this time I'll do something called as protected mode. Okay. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to define the class point 3D and then use the protected keyword and use point 2D. Okay. So the way protected is going to work is, again, the compiler will inherit some properties. Okay. So anything that's private, it cannot be directly accessible here. So anything that was public, so originally, all these are public members. But since we are doing protected inheritance, they become protected here. Okay. So the mode is protected, and what was public will now be protected here. So the constructor point 2D is protected. The constructor point 2D integer x, integer y, this becomes protected. And then the void set point and integer x, integer y, this becomes protected. And last void display point 2D integer, oh, it doesn't take anything, my bad. So this becomes protected. So all these four are now protected. In addition to whatever that we are inheriting, so all these are inherited from point 2D. Again, we don't need to write them, they are inherited. Now, under private scope, I'll give integer z. And under public scope, I'll write point 3D, point 3D with two integers x, sorry, three integers y, and then integer z. And now I can use void set point. Again, I'm calling it as set point deliberately, not point 2D or point 3D. Int y and int z. So this is how we are going to do the set point. And last, we have display point 3D. It doesn't take anything. So this concludes the class definition. So observe the way inheritance works. We are not rewriting all these content, but we are inheriting. That means what was written can be, you can think of compiler is doing some copy paste here. But what does it copy paste? It copy paste something that was public. It copy paste here. And what is the scope in which it copy paste? Whatever the scope is here, that will come here for public. And if it's protected, if you are saying protected, it copy paste the content, but it copy paste the content under protected. Okay. So this is how all these things are going to be appearing in the be appearing from a compiler perspective. And the last type we'll see private one. So this class, if you are doing private, means this is how we'd go about. So class point 3D and then private 2D. Okay. So now again, compiler does some magic. It gets everything from the base class. These are inherited from point 2D, and the class name, it should be point 2D. These are inherited. And now the scope of public is going to be like what was public will be protected. Sorry, private. So the point 2D, it's going to be private. Point 2D with integer x, integer y, it's going to be private. Void set point integer x, integer y, this is going to be private, and void display point 2D, this is going to be private. So all these are going to be private. In addition to these private members, the class can have its own private members, like for example, private int z, and then its own public members, something that goes in there. So this is what the three types of inheritance are. So private, public, protected. And this is how it's going to change a way class is appearing. Even though we don't write this part of code, whatever you see in the unicorn kind of font, this is something like imaginary. This doesn't exist when you see the code, but when the code runs, this exists. And you can access those, like how you treat them as protected and other members. Okay. So that's all I have to talk about three modes of inheritance.